Okay, so you have the dreaded sensor failure. That's your temperature sensor failure. It is a replaceable part, and it's actually not that expensive if you do it yourself. Okay, we're going to start with turning off the power. Okay, this is the access panel you want to open. There's just 6 screws. They're normal Phillips screws, pretty easy to remove the access cover. Okay, inside here you have a couple different temperature sensors and probes. This is a float, so it knows that water is flowing. This is the temperature sensor failure that you're getting. This is the one we need to replace. It's also signified by the 2 green and 1 black wire. That's the one you want. Okay, I'm going to snip the factory zip tie, being careful not to cut the surrounding wires. Now this is what the new part looked like. Ordered it online. It's less than $30 for the part. Now if you need these wells or these seating areas, these were significantly more expensive. So hopefully it's just the temperature sensor probe and we don't need more parts. So I'm going to take off the top nut, loosen it, but leave the bottom factory installed nut in place. So let's give that a little bit of a snug fit here. Frame. Okay, once this top nut is loose, the temperature sensor probe will just slip right out. That's how it does. And then we're going to remove it from the control board. The front cover comes off with this single screw right here. Set it aside. There's 2 screws on each side. They're Phillips. Okay, with the control panel flopped open, you'll recognize the 2 green and 1 black wire. That, again, is the temperature sensor that we want. I'm just going to unplug it. Okay, this is the brand new one. So now we're just going to reverse the direction and feed that probe through the firewall and then down over to the inlet water. Plugging it in firmly. This end is done. You can get zip ties and secure these wires a little bit better. It just lifts right back up in place, the control panel, and then just replace the 4 screws that you just took out, 2 on each side. Okay, feeding the new temperature sensor through, thread it right to the top, fit it all the way down into the opening, and then when you screw on this top piece, it's going to actually close that up tight. You could use Teflon tape on the threads if you want. We're just going to go snug and see if it holds. Okay, the new temperature probe in position. Now you're going to put back on your cover plate. Service panel back in place, 6 screws. Front cover back in place. Turn on the power. Check your display for error message. The error message is gone. Let's crank her up and see if it operates properly. Oh, almost forgot. You do need your pull pump circulating to test the heater. Okay, with the water circulating, now it will allow the heater to turn on. Okay, let's test it out. Turn on your pool heater, wait for it to reset, crank up the temperature, and let's see if we have spark. Perfect. I can hear it sparking. The main flames are coming on. There we go. It's on. I can hear it running. We have the temperature probe replaced, fixed. I knew you could do it yourself.